Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this Gallery Teacher TEFL Masterclass. The topic of this webinar is teaching teenagers or how to save your sanity. The reason why I decided to do this webinar is whenever I talk to colleagues, whenever I discuss liking teaching teenagers, the general feedback is that, really, are you sure? But the beauty about teenagers is that they are at an age where you can do so much and you can foster that autonomy, and all it takes is really knowledge about what they are, who they are, and all the challenges that they're facing. Once you have this raised awareness about what they represent and what they want, then teaching them becomes so much easier because you understand how to do it. There are obviously techniques within topics that you can encounter in the course books that do help. However, sometimes it seems that certain frameworks such as task-based learning or even projects seem to really bring the best out of them. And this is what this webinar will be about. So join us for this.